Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the stock and financial markets and virus. What stars foretell as per the lunar eclipse of 26th May 2021. As far as the virus is concerned, I have made n number of articles and I've already written about what will happen in the fortnight. But this lunar eclipse is although visible in North America, South America, Australia, Asia, but there is no Sutak, so it does not have that importance of the eclipse. But the planetary positions would definitely influence the day-to-day happening. So I have raised this chart of the 26th May 2021 of 1644 hours, and the sign rising is Libra, which is the 6th house of the India Foundation chart and also the 6th house of the Pisces new moon chart. And the Lagna is Dagda, and the Lagna Lord Venus is placed in the 8th house in Vishgati. So it is not good. So it is not good for the overall perspective of the fortnight. The general condition of the country may not be good. So I have analyzed it as for the virus in D6. There are not much afflictions. The sixth lord is Jupiter. It is placed well from Ketu and Mars, so it is not bad. But in the D8 chart, the sixth lord Jupiter is in the 8th house of chronicity, and it is debilitated, so it is not good. It shows persistence of the disease. But I don't see any serious afflictions in the D6 or D8 chart. But my worry is that Rahu, the north node, will be in adverse motion, in direct motion and stationary motion from the 26th May to 11th of June, and it will be in the star Rohini. And Mars in the Rohini nakshatra is most enigmatic because it is inimical to Moon, and Moon is also with Ketu at the time of the eclipse in Anuradha star. So my worry is only for the 17 days for the virus, and Rahu, since placed in the 8th house, is not good with the 8th lord and sun. So this is not good, and the luminaries are sun and moon, both influenced by Rahu and Ketu. So my worry is only what will happen in these 17 days, because Rahu is unpredictable and it can turn the tables upside down. But the grace is that Ketu is not in just a star, and there is no Veda. There will be no Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra from the 16th of May, and in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra there will be no Veda from the 2nd of June. So after 2nd of June, there will be no Veda. But the only planet which will be influencing will be Rahu. But Rahu has Veda with Jupiter, and Jupiter is Karka for the 6th. It is the 6th lord and is also Karka for the children. So my worry is only for coronavirus and for the children. And then Rahu is in Rohini star and for the black fungus. So these 17 days could be crucial for these parameters. Although the total number of cases may not go or touch the high of 4,25,000, but they can be around the 3 lakh figure, or maybe they are stagnant. There is no change. So it all depends upon Rahu. When it is stationary, then the number of cases could be more. When it is in forward motion, then it could be stationary. The number of cases may be stagnant. So for 17 days we have to watch. But the negative part is that it is having Veda with Sun and Jupiter is the 6th lord. So Rahu is going to influence the sixth lord, and the Karka for children Jupiter. So in this time frame, there may be some number of cases which may rise for the coronavirus for children, and especially for the children. And that's all. And there, as per the planetary position for the stock and financial markets, 3 planets are in own sign: Mercury, Venus, and Saturn. And Saturn has gone retrograde. Normally, when planets go in retrogression, the stock markets are bullish. So let us see how it behaves. And then these Mars and Saturn in 6-8 axis, and Mars approaching 180 degrees to Saturn will be crucial. And my overall prediction for the stock and financial markets would be that before Mars changes its sign to Cancer, the market may touch a new high before around the just before the 2nd of June, or just before the 2nd of June, or around the 2nd June. Now 4th June, Mercury, whenever will go in retrogression or change sign, there is temporarily, bearish trends. So those bearish trends will be just temporary, and they are not going to influence in a big way. There will be no major correction in the coming fortnights, although there are 2 planets in fiery sign in the Navamsha, which do show that there can be some correction, but not a major correction, because again Mars and Saturn are in 212 axis in the Navamsha. Even if there is a correction, it will be only for a day or 2. So primarily speaking and broadly speaking, the markets can touch new high around the 2nd June 2021. There will be no major correction. No major correction is expected in the near future. Only if Rahu creates trouble and the number of cases cross 3 lakhs, only then the markets could be influenced. I don't think that could happen right now, because Jupiter is in Aquarius. That condition could come later on in the month of September, when Jupiter is fallen, retrograde, debilitated, and with Saturn. And even then, we don't have any planets in the fiery signs. So even then, the correction would not be major until unless we have planets in the fiery sign. That is my observation. No major correction takes place. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share about the stock and financial markets and the virus spread. Please go through my article completely, and then you will appreciate it. I have drawn the Rashi Sangata Chakra, the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra, and there is Veda to Jupiter by Rahu. So this is a critical parameter for the spread of coronavirus for children, and is the 6th lord, and also for the spread of coronavirus. So thank you, friends, for listening to me. Have a good day. Best of luck. Take care of yourself. Maintain social distancing, and then let's pray that the number of cases they don't increase. And the number of cases today, as on in the morning, are 2,22,000, and which were 4,25,000 earlier. And as per the transit of Ketu in Anuradha Nakshatra, the number of coronavirus cases has started to reduce as per my predictions after the 9th April 2021. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.